Hey everyone, welcome back to the Privacy Guy. Today I'm going to share a quick video about how you can use Zoom and how you can join Zoom meetings without having to download Zoom and install it on your computer or your phone or whatever you may use. Um, I've never done this before, so you'll have to bear with me in walking you through the process, but it should be pretty simple, and it's a way to avoid many of the privacy issues that people have with using Zoom. If you are required to use Zoom meetings for your work or other projects you may be working on. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you, and hopefully this will work and give you a sneak peek at what this all looks like and how you can use Zoom without installing the software. All right, so here's a look at Zoom, or I mean at Brave, and I'm gonna go to, I've created a Zoom meeting just to use for this, so I'm gonna use that meeting link to show you what it looks like when you try to join a Zoom call. So a lot of the times when you're joining a Zoom meeting, you're going to be shown, or you're gonna get a link. You typically these will come in an email. I'm going to go to the link and show you what that looks like. So see, it says openzoom.us. I'm just going to hit cancel. Then I'm going to hit launch meeting, cancel again. See, now we're getting this link, having trouble join from your browser. My name. You might have to go through this CAPTCHA, not a huge deal. Hopefully I can nail this one for you guys. And then click join. And this meeting hasn't started yet since I'm currently using Zoom to record this. But if I were to start the meeting, I could then use Zoom in my browser. So the reason I've used Brave for this is because it kind of helps to isolate my activity. So if I use Chrome to sign into Zoom, then Google and Zoom would be able to kind of link that information together. So that's just a quick look at how to sign into a Zoom meeting without having to install Zoom. I don't know. I personally have to use Zoom for work, and I haven't tried this, but I just realized that I can. So I might do that going forward. So I definitely recommend using a separate browser from what you use for your normal browsing, just to isolate the Zoom data or whatever it may collect. Um, just keep it in a separate browser, and you can also use say Firefox separate from your Chrome if you're doing that, just to isolate your browsing, keep it a little more private. So thanks for watching today. That's all I had. It's a quick one, but thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.